What if a single line drawn inside a triangle could create one of the most elegant proportionality theorems in geometry? In this video, we are going to prove the angle bisector theorem step by step using parallel lines, alternate interior angles, and triangle similarity. Stay until the end because this proof reveals a beautiful hidden symmetry inside every triangle. We consider a triangle noted ABC. Starting from the vertex A, we draw an angle bisector that intersects the opposite side BC at a point noted D. This bisector divides the angle BAC into two equal angles, each noted alpha, exactly as shown in the diagram. Our objective is to prove that the ratio AB divided by BD is equal to the ratio AC divided by CD. To begin the proof, we draw a line passing through the point C that is parallel to the line AB. Next, we extend the line AD until it intersects this parallel line at a point noted E. Now we observe that we have two parallel lines, namely the lines AB and CE, intercepted by a secant line, which is the line AE. According to the theorem of alternate interior angles, the measure of the angle AEC is equal to the measure of the angle BAE, which is equal to alpha. Therefore, the measure of the angle AEC is also equal to alpha. On the other hand, the measure of the angle CDE is equal to the measure of the angle ADB because these are vertically opposite angles. From these angle equalities, we conclude that the triangles ABD and CDE are similar triangles. From this triangular similarity, we can deduce the equality between the ratios AB divided by CE is equal to BD divided by CD. Let us keep this result in mind. Now let us consider the triangle ACE. We notice that the measures of the angles CAE and CEA are equal because they are both equal to alpha. This means that the triangle ACE is an isosceles triangle in which the lengths AC and CE are equal. By substituting CE with AC in the equality of ratios, AB divided by CE is equal to BD divided by CD, we obtain AB divided by AC is equal to BD divided by CD. Finally, by rearranging the equality of these ratios, we conclude that AB divided by BD is equal to AC divided by CD. And this completes the proof of the angle bisector theorem. With only one angle bisector, a pair of parallel lines, and triangle similarity, we were able to uncover one of the most important proportional relationships in Euclidean geometry. This theorem appears everywhere in mathematics, geometry competitions, and advanced problem solving. If you learn from this proof and want to see more elegant geometry demonstrations explained step by step, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new mathematical challenge. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ. Using the link in the description, vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.